Find or read reviews that people are talking about ENUOSUMA Mini Projector. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Smart projector with Android TV 11.0. Experience a world of entertainment with over 4,000 apps at your fingertips, including access to popular streaming platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and more. Enjoy a vast library of over 500,000 movies and TV shows. This mini projector equipped with Android 11.0 OS, Mali G31 GPU, and Wi-Fi 6 technology. Our mini projector ensures seamless connectivity and top-notch performance for a truly smart viewing experience. 1080p HD video projection. Native 1080p resolution with 4K support delivers crisp and clear visuals. Utilizing advanced LED technology for bright and vivid projections. Seamlessly connect with the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 ensuring smooth streaming, also compatible with 2.4G and 5G networks, features Bluetooth 5.2 function. And connectivity to your favorite devices. This projector delivers stunning visuals with 160 ANSI Lumens brightness and a contrast ratio of 1500 by 1, ensuring vivid colors and sharp details. 180 degrees rotating projection. No need for complex installations, this mini projector allows seamless rotation for wall, ceiling, or even floor projections. Immerse yourself in an expansive 35 to 130-inch screen for a truly immersive viewing experience. This projector is perfect for home theater, entertainment, children's education, video conferences, and online teaching, providing versatility for various needs. Automatic Keystone Correction and 360 degrees sound. Instantly correct and focus with automatic keystone and manual focus adjustment for a perfect image in seconds. Enjoy room-filling 360-degree audio for an enhanced cinematic experience from this compact yet powerful smart projector. Low noise and multi-device connectivity. With a high-performance cooling system producing noise levels below 25 decibels, indulge in a quiet viewing environment while experiencing stunning visual effects. Equipped with HDMI, USB, and audio ports for seamless compatibility with laptops, TV sticks, USB drives, and more. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.